Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you know that you can get your police clearance certificate right now, right away? Apply online, receive it as a PDF document in your email just in 2 minutes. So, without wasting any time, like this video, subscribe, and let us get started. We're going to start by visiting the Ministry of Interior website, or call it the MOI. Those who live in the United Arab Emirates, you already know about it. You can also download the MOI app to make it easier for you if you're using your mobile phone, simply by visiting the Play or Apple Store. It is also important to note that it doesn't matter whether you live in Abu Dhabi or Dubai or Sharjah, you can still apply for this clearance online. As you see on the screen, once you open the MOI app, okay, you will see this statement right here, which says, issuance of a clear criminal record certificate. Click on it. Then this page will be open where you'll see the green button, Start Service button at the bottom right corner. Once you click on the Start Service button, you will be prompted to sign in into your MOI application using your UAE pass. Go ahead and confirm in your UAE pass, input your password, and after that is done, go back to your MOI application. So once you are logged in into your MOI application, you will see this message that says, sorry, no data found. All you have to do is click on this green button on the bottom right. In case you find yourself stranded and you're not on this page, you can check or scroll down and click on police services. Again, you'll be able to see this page where there's issuance of a clear criminal record report. All right. You will be brought to this page where we have to input our personal information in order for our certificate of good conduct, or call it the police clearance, to be issued. So, without wasting any time, input your mobile number, your email address. Remember, you will receive a copy as a PDF in this email address that you input here. Go ahead and input your purpose of use by clicking on the drop-down button. Select whether you're going to use this clearance certificate in UAE or outside UAE. Again, select the emirate where you want to use this police clearance and select the reason why you need this certificate. So let me select work. I know most of you need this police clearance certificate to submit it when you're renewing or you're applying for your visa. So remember to always select the right purpose. If you have any questions so far, feel free to let me know in the comments and like this video. Thank you. Go ahead and select your preferred language. We have only Arabic and English. Input the name of your company. For those of you staying in the United Arab Emirates, that is your sponsor. And no need for you to worry that much about this organization name, because it won't affect any way the issuance of your police clearance certificates. So go ahead and input your Emirates ID number. Now that you have entered all your personal information, you have to go back and cross-check everything you have entered before you save and click next. Most importantly, check your email address, because this is where you're going to receive a PDF copy of your police clearance certificates. The payment page will be opened. As you can see on the screen, the fees we have to pay is 50 dirhams for this service. You can pay with both Visa and MasterCard. Click Pay Now. Wait for a few minutes while the payment gateway is loading. You can also pay with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and also you can use a bank transfer. Click on Calculate Price. Okay. Then the total we have to pay will be revealed. Once you are satisfied with the amount you have to pay, click on Proceed with Payment. Our total payment is 50 dirhams point 36 fils, and it has to be completed in the specified session time. As you can see on the screen, it's 16 hours 38 minutes. So go ahead and input your payment card details. So personally, let me use the Apple Pay. Remember, after the payment, I'm also going to show you how to retrieve this clearance certificate in your email. So let me confirm my payment. I put password and then proceed. This is the receipt for the payment of this service. Issuance of a clear criminal record certificate. You can download it or even take a screenshot for future reference. I have been able to receive my police clearance certificate after 2 minutes in my email address, and this is it. As you can see, I can now submit it to my company for use. So let me know if you have any questions, and if you want more videos like this, remember to check out my channel, subscribe. And this is how exactly you apply for your police clearance certificate online, no matter which Emirate you live in. So, thank you.